guys, this is just going to be a quick YouTube video. It's going to be not too long. So what I wanted to talk to you guys today about is smart money news data, and specifically how it visually looks on technical analysis and the market. So a quick example I wanted to show you, if we go here, just give me 1 second. So when we're typically working with smart money and when we're doing smart money trading, we know that news moves the market, right? But we always wonder which news or which set of events that we need to pay attention to that can make us the most money, all right? So here's how we do it. So when you're working with smart money concepts and you're trading the smart money way, you're going to typically look for red news folders and orange news folders. So for example, tomorrow, I'm expecting to trade a couple of pairs, like Forex pairs, everything with the US dollar, because there is red and there's large impacting news tomorrow. And this, all of this on my screen is going to affect all of this on the charts. As you can see in the past, news like this, this red, creates this. And when they're making the market go up, when, like, for example, the Federal Reserve is printing more money, you'll see these giant white bars or green bars, depending on the colors of your chart. So here's how it works. Hold on a second. Okay. Oh, and if you're wondering which indicator I am using, it is called the FX market sections, and I'll just write that. What you're going to do is head over to Trading View, and then you're going to go and click on indicators, and then type FX market sessions. So you're going to do that, and then that's all you're going to do, and then it should just pop up. And I think the author, I'm trying to look at the script author, it won't click up right now. Let me just see. It won't tell me who made it, but just look for FX market sessions, and it will show you the Tokyo, London, New York sessions. And then it's a really good tool to have because it will also tell you which session is best for you. Excuse the noise, sorry about that. All that shit outside's driving me crazy. But yeah, so basically news like this, and you're going to go head over to forexfactory.com and dailyfx.com, and you're going to go under filter here, like high, medium news. That's all you're going to select. The same thing on this site. You want red and orange folders because news moves the market. And when you're trading smart money, that's when we need to trade, when they're in the market, when they're making big, giant moves like this over here, like all this here, this right here. You see this little white area, all this white? This is all retail. This is all retail buying the dip, believing in it, buying the dip, and over here, boom. More ejection from the market, taking liquidation, money, printing downwards, just a whole wreckage. And so as you can see below, those gray boxes are points of interest that I've set on a higher time frame that I'm planning on taking profits as this news comes out. So this pair is US dollar JPY. So Japanese yen. And so I'm planning on trading this as well as tomorrow, pretty much all week if you look. So this is, yeah, January 5th, January 6th. It's red and orange folders all week. So that's plenty of opportunities to make money. And so once you have that down, you can approach the market with the smart money concepts you've learned, like order blocks, Wyckoff, imbalance, volume divergence. I don't use the RSI scanner or any RSI because I rather use volume divergence, and I like my charts clean. I just like to see what they're doing. I don't like all the other shit on my chart. It's just the way I trade. But yeah, and also guys, I have I don't have a course on anything. I have an online community that's monthly. So if you guys want to know any more information, hold on a second, that's not it. If you guys want to know any more information about any of the smart money concepts I've used, or any the ways or methods I trade, what else I do. We have a blockchain and other investing strategies, things to invest in, new technology, artificial intelligence, NFT, all that crap and all that shit. That's all in the online community. And so basically, I'm just trying to look for unique, like-minded individuals that also believe in all this technology and believe in creating generational wealth for their families and who want to be on a journey with other like-minded individuals. And this is a paid group, but what's it called? But there's lots of benefits to joining it, as you will see when you click on the site. But this will all be in the description. You can see all this, look at it. It's all in the description. We post a ton of information, like about institutions, a lot of smart money information. There's videos also, plenty of stuff. We post plenty of news. We share resources. We do all that Forex news data, just financial quotes, all kinds of shit. ERC20 tokens. We all share information on here. But yeah, click the bio. The description. Check it out. See if you like it. And yeah. I wanted to make a quick video today about that and how basically orange and red news data affects Forex and crypto trading as well. But yeah, I'll make another video later. I just wanted to make this quick video. See you guys later.